Hello everyone, my name is John. I am a student. Today I want to tell you about my best friend and how we practice English together. I think friends are very important in our life. A friend makes us happy, a friend helps us when we have problems, a good friend never leaves us alone, a good friend understands us. I have many friends, but I have one best friend. His name is Rahim. He is in my class. He is my best friend from childhood. We know each other very well. We trust each other very much. Rahim is a very kind boy. He is always smiling. He helps everyone. He loves to play football. He loves to read books. He is good in his studies too. He always does his homework on time. Rahim and I sit together in class. We share our tiffin. We do homework together. We play after school. We talk and laugh a lot. We never get bored when we are together. We enjoy every moment together. When I wanted to learn English, Rahim said, "I will help you, John. We will learn together." I was very happy and felt strong. He gave me courage to try new words. Now, every day, Rahim and I practice English. We speak small sentences to each other. We ask questions and give answers. We check each other's mistakes and correct them. We also write small paragraphs for practice. In the morning, when we meet, Rahim says, "Good morning, John." I say, "Good morning, Rahim. How are you?" He says, "I am fine. And you?" I say, "I am fine too." This makes our speaking better. These small words help us speak clearly. We feel more confident every day. In class, our English teacher asks questions. If I do not know the answer, Rahim helps me. If Rahim forgets something, I help him. We learn together. We never feel shy in front of the class now. At break time, we sit together. We talk in English about our lunch, our books, and our games. Sometimes we laugh because we make funny mistakes, but we never feel shy. Mistakes make us better. We learn new words every day. After school, we go to the playground. We play football with other friends. While playing, we use English words like pass the ball, kick it, goal. We shout and laugh. We feel like heroes when we win. When we are tired, we sit under a tree. We drink water and talk in English. We ask each other about our family, our dreams, and our hobbies. We share our secrets and stories too. Sometimes we play a small game. One person says a word, the other makes a sentence. For example, I say apple. Rahim says, "I like to eat an apple." Then he says, tree. I say, "There is a big tree in my garden." This game is very fun. It helps us make sentences quickly. It makes our brain strong too. It is our favorite game. On Sundays, I go to Rahim's house. He has many English storybooks. We read the books together. We help each other with new words. Sometimes we act like the story characters. We laugh when we act like animals or kings. Sometimes we watch cartoons on his TV. We listen carefully. We repeat some funny lines. We laugh a lot. We try to speak like the cartoon characters. It is very funny and helpful. Rahim's mother gives us snacks and tea. She says, "Good boys, keep studying, keep practicing English." We smile and say, "Thank you, Auntie." We feel happy to hear her kind words. She loves us like her own sons. Sometimes Rahim comes to my house. We sit in my garden. We talk in English about my flowers and vegetables. I say, "This is a rose. That is a tomato plant." Rahim repeats the words. We learn nature words too. We take care of the plants together. Rahim's father knows good English. He teaches us some new words. He says, "Speak slowly, speak clearly." Practice every day. He also tells us short stories in English. He tells funny jokes too. We listen to him and follow his advice. We write new words in our notebooks and read them at night. We try to use them the next day. In the evening, we come back home. I finish my homework, then I call Rahim on my phone. We talk in English for 5 minutes. We say, "What did you eat? What did you study? What will you do tomorrow? We never miss our phone talk. This daily practice helps us a lot. Now we are not afraid to speak. We answer questions in English class with confidence. Our teacher is very happy and proud of us. He tells other students to follow us. Our friends see us speaking in English. They also want to learn like us. We help them too. We tell them, practice every day. Use small sentences. Repeat many times. We feel happy to help them. Rahim and I have a dream. We want to visit another country together. We want to speak English with people there. We want to see big cities and talk to new friends. We want to learn about other cultures too. It will be a big adventure for us. We also want to make videos together. We want to teach other children how to speak easy English. We want to say, if we can do it, you can do it too. We want to help many people. We want everyone to speak without fear. I am very lucky to have Rahim in my life. He is my best friend and my English partner. We never fight. We always help each other. We share our secrets too. He is like my brother forever. When I feel sad, Rahim makes me laugh. When I feel lazy, Rahim says, "Come on, John, let's study. Let's speak English." He is like my brother. He always supports me. A good friend is like a good book, always with you, always helping you. A good friend makes you better and stronger. A good friend is a gift. I want to tell you, my friends, if you want to learn English fast, find a friend. Practice together. Speak simple words. Ask questions. Give answers. Laugh and learn. Do not feel shy. Do not stop speaking. Use English every day with your best friend. You will see your English grow like a tree, strong and beautiful. Thank you for listening to my story about my best friend Rahim and our English practice. I hope you liked it. I hope you have a good friend too. Please share this story with your friends. Tell them, let's practice English together like John and Rahim. See you soon in my next story. Take care, my friends. Keep practicing. Keep smiling. Keep speaking English. Bye-bye.